Hello officer, welcome to Akbar Academy. We are starting a new course, history in English, Urdu and Hindi. Okay, in our Akbar Academy. Okay, so don't forget officer. So save the date. We will start the new course from January 4th. From January 4th, we will start new course in history. Okay, languages are Urdu, English, Hindi. Okay, so it will be very useful to group 2, 3, 4 and Polytechnic lecturers paper 1, junior lecturers paper 1, also hostel warden, SI police constable mains and general studies for other TSPSC exams also. Okay, so another notifications will be included. So by these course you will get Telangana history, Indian history, Telangana culture, sociology, Telangana movement. Okay, so subscribe our Akbar Academy YouTube channel. Okay, so original fees 1999, now only 999, 50% discount, now 999 only on New Year offer. So download the app from Google Play Store, logo here. Okay, you have to choose this app. ओके इन गूगल प्ले स्टोर. ओके, हम लोग जनवरी 4th से शुरू करेंगे अकबर एकेडमी में अपनी उर्दू, इंग्लिश, हिंदी लैंग्वेजेस में हिस्ट्री में. ओके, सो दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन. डोंट फॉरगेट. थैंक यू वेरी मच ऑफिसर्स. ऑल द बेस्ट. So save the date from January 4th. Thank you very much officers. All the best.